Moving with rhythm is very basic, deeply rooted within us. Dancing is therapeutic. It is a powerful way to vent out, recharge, and care for yourself. Once you shake off all hesitations and step into the world of dance, you will appreciate its importance deeply in your life. In this video, I will show you how to make small moves with dance. So, let's get ready for an active dance session in order to distress yourself, feel alive, and groove your way towards happiness. In the beginning, I will first show you some basic footsteps. The easiest and the mostly used one is the flat. This flat movement is just when you hit the floor with the entire lower surface of your feet. And this is an usual movement that you do every day for your walking. However, there is a difference between the flat movement in your walk and in your dance. When you do it for the dance, you force it a little bit more, so it sounds sometimes. But with the flat movement, you can actually walk all over the space. Now I come to the toe movement. In Indian dance system, based on the position of the toe movements are named differently, and same for the heel. And the common toe movements are the ones when you keep it on the side, in the back, or in the front. So this few steps like the normal flat, the heel and the toe at different places, if you get used to with this 4 different forms of foot movements, for now that is enough for you to dance. Now I come to the hand gestures. In Indian dance system, there is a very strict vocabulary of hand gestures. Sometimes we do it with both the hands, or sometimes we do it with the single hand. And all these hand gestures has a meaning and symbolizes something. However, for our therapeutic dance sessions, we don't need to go into deeper. So we will just use these hand gestures as number 1, number 2, number 3 in that way. So these are the basic hand movements, and now we will use these hand movements and the foot movements to make a small piece of dance. We will do Karkatamukha and Alapadma alternately, and the foot movement will be toe and heel. So Karkatamukha on toe and Alapadma on heel. And then on the other side we will do a Mayura, front toe and heel. Now we will use the movement where we hold the thumb and the index finger together and we go walking on our toe. So it's like showing all over the area. Sometimes bending a body little bit. This body bending is not very strict. You can bend your body as the way you feel. And now it's the time to do something with your palm, showing some gentle breeze. Every time you do some hand movement, your eye should indicate your hand movements. Now I am showing you the small raindrops, how you can express them, that those are coming down and you are taking them on hand and flashing over your face. And finally, I am showing you how you can show that the green grasses have been quenched by the raindrops and you are touching them. Now, let's do it with some visual imageries. So, just try to feel a rainy day. You are on a grassland, you're bare feet on the grasses, and suddenly you feel small raindrops coming over you. How will you feel? Express that ecstatic joy through your movements and try it with me. Okay? Let's do it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for getting more such videos and press the bell icon so that you get notified as soon as I upload the next video. See you till then, take care, bye bye.